In this video, this is part 6 of my new playlist, Flipping Up the Tom Collins. In this video, the recipe I'm going to show you is a strawberry and orange Collins. Hey gin fans, so as I've just mentioned, this is the 6th video in this playlist now, taking that original Tom Collins that's been around since the late 1800s, the most popular, the most famous of all gin cocktails, and I'll link up there so you can see how to make it and what it's all about. That'll be in the top corner up there. That's video 1. I'm just giving you I'm just going to start off with 6 or 7 at the moment, simple, different inspiration, Ginspiration for your home parties, whether you're a pub and bar, because we're in a day and age now where there's so many different ingredients. You could take that very, very simple 4 ingredient cocktail and just turn it into hundreds of thousands of different cocktail ideas. So in this cocktail is the orange and strawberry, or the strawberry and orange Collins. So why break a habit of a lifetime? We're going to serve it up in a highball glass. We're going to make it into a cocktail shaker. If this is the first one you're watching, you could quite easily make it in your glass and build it and stir it. Not a problem, not an issue, but I like making them in my cocktail shakers because you'll see why in a couple of minutes. So for this one, again, so many different ways you could do an orange and strawberry Collins, but for this one, I'm going for Whitley Neal's blood orange gin actually, and I want a 50 ml, okay, 50 ml of gin. Now again, for this cocktail, the other ingredient I'm flipping out is the mixer, so I'm keeping the lemon juice and the sugar the same. So I want 25 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and then I want 15 ml of sugar syrup. And as I keep mentioning, little plug, I'm sorry, but I love it so much, I have to. The Mesclad Precision measure, it's lined small end, 25 ml ends, lined every 5 ml, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then the big ends, 10, 20, 30, 40. It makes getting super accurate on cocktails so easy. So 15 ml, simply because if you put 25 ml in there, it'd be way, way, way too sweet. So you only need 15 ml. And some of you might even want slightly less sugar, so 10 ml. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ice up my shaker and then ice up my glass, get them all ready. And then I'm just going to shake down my cocktail for a good 12 seconds. Now here's the reason why I like to make this in a shaker, because when I like to add soda, I like to pour my soda water or mixer straight into the shaker. If I poured that into there now without the soda water, I'd have to have an extra action, a little step and stir the cocktail. I don't need to now. So mixer. Use these in the last one, the lemon and lemon zest. This is San Pellegrino's Essenza range. I've got a feeling, or I've heard it's been around in the US now for quite a while, but brand spanking new to the UK. Ocado, I've picked it up. I think I've seen it in other supermarkets now. Think it is a soda water. It's not sweet, but it's got that big, bold flavour profile to it. It's just lovely. So you want 75 ml of tangerine and strawberry. And then all we need to do now is just need to strain it in to a highball glass. Now again, garnish for this, you could go strawberries in there, you could do whatever you wanted, but again, I just think it looks kind of cool as well. The whole orange zest in there, and then the maraschino cherry, cocktail cherry. Just pop that in there, serve with a straw, and that is such an easy but so tasty orange and strawberry and orange Collins. Cheers.